Hello beautiful people, Coach Gabby here, and as you can see, I've traded in my yoga mat for a chair. And that is because today I'm so excited to show you a quick and efficient chair workout. That's right, so put away that mat, grab a chair, and let's get into it. Alrighty guys, so take a seat and slightly scooch up to the chair a bit. All right, you don't want to sit too back. So the edge of the chair should be, just below your butt or in the middle of your thighs. To start, we have a warm up. We're going to be doing quick feet. So hold on the chair for some support, or for an extra challenge, go ahead and, put your arms here or here, whatever's better for you, okay? So we're going to do quick feet, like so. But you don't want to be heavy here. You don't want to be hitting the floor too much. We want to work those abs and warm up our legs. So just light taps. Quick, 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 quick. Light taps. And that is our warm up. You should be feeling that in your stomach, in your legs, and even your back, holding yourself up, maintaining that good posture. After that, we have a seated Russian twist. So again, holding on to whatever's comfortable for you. We are going to slide up just a little bit more so our butt is at the edge. We are going to lift our knees and we're going to twist our knees to side, maintaining your torso to the front, and you're just twisting your knees and your hips. All right, that's our seated Russian twist. Next, we have a squat. So coming to your feet, we're going to be doing a chair squat. Now, when we do a regular squat, we pretend we're going to sit in a chair, right? Well, now we're actually going to do it. So, feet right below your hips, hands together or out or here, whatever's better for you. And we are going to sit into the chair, but not all the way. Don't relax back. Keep your feet flat. Just slightly tap your bottom to the chair and then back up. Touch, up. Touch, up, squeezing your bottom as you come up, all right? And to finish it off, we are going to do squat calf raises. So going to the back of the chair, I'm gonna turn it around so you can see. To the back of the chair, holding on for support, you are going to squat, calf raise, stand up, and then put your heels back down. So squat, calf raise, up, down. If that's a little bit too difficult for you, go ahead and do regular calf raises. So holding on here for support, or here if you want a little extra challenge with your balance. I like how that sounds, challenge with your balance. You're gonna do calf raises. So that is the modification for the squat calf raises. Really good to get, definition and tone right here. So that is your demo. Now we're gonna do the whole thing together. We're gonna take a seat. Remember, come up a little bit, and we're gonna do our quick feet. So for a warm up, we got our quick feet. Legs, heels up, and go. We're gonna be doing this for 30 seconds. Engage your core. Just slightly tap your feet. If you wanna even do without a big tap, kind of a bicycle, I guess it would be, go for it. A little extra challenge. Quick, 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 we're halfway there. Squeeze that stomach. Posture is nice and straight. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! Done. I really should feel that right here, okay? And your thighs are nice and warm. Next, we have our seated Russian twist. So remember, coming up a little bit more on the chair so you have room to twist. We're gonna hold on here for support, lift knees, and we're gonna be doing this as well for 30 seconds. All right, so let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Remember to, go at your own pace. As long as you're really engaging your body and engaging your core and working your body, you don't have to go fast. All right, halfway done. Almost there. Feel those abs. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Awesome. Now, both of those really worked out the core, so take a second, stretch a little bit, put your hands up, maybe go back. Very nice. Now we're ready for the chair squat. Up to your feet, hands together, here, out. We're gonna go squat, and we're gonna be doing this for 10. We're gonna do 10 of these, all right? Let's go. 1, 2. Suck in that stomach, flat back, shoulders relaxed. You don't want your shoulders up here. Make sure they're down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and done. Very good. Shake out those legs. Breathe. All right, guys, now we have our squat calf raises. Hold on here for support. We're gonna do 10. Let's finish strong. Let's go. So, squat, calf raise, up, down. That's 1. Up, down, 2. Now remember here to, again, always engage your core. Keep a healthy back, shoulders down, don't arch, tuck in your butt. All right, halfway done, 5 more. That's right. And remember, if this is too difficult, you can just, do a calf raise. 2 more. Last one. Up, hold, pause, little challenge. Up, done. Very good, guys. Shake out those legs, shake out those bodies. Shake out those legs, shake out those arms, shake your body, drink some water, breathe. Subscribe to our channel. We have so many more recipes, so many more workouts, lots to show you, okay?